Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best boxing gloves brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Everlast Pro Style Boxing Gloves. Everlast is the glove that some of us grew up with, and provides a dynamic that would be valuable, even to this day. His Pro Gloves boxing style long-term life offers up to 3 years in some instances. We are not enthusiastic about the lack of coverage of the wrist or the huge price difference depending on the size you choose, drawn from below up to the second command. These gloves are adjusted fairly quickly, slip on and slide, making it much easier to grab the duffel bag when your everything until the end is carried out by the day. Everlast His thumb lock contains the technology is designed to reduce to damages variables thumb and general is in your hands. While padding around the wrist is not the best, the bit is designed to improve their shape and technique and gives you more control over your position and power. Is Everlast brand of boxing gloves that cannot be ignored when it comes to quality. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sanabul Essential GL Boxing Gloves. The king of the ring is Sanabul. They literally put significant Sanabul Boxing Gloves GL to always love to pierce crap in a gym bag or a spanto against a boxer. The name of the game is durability when it comes to boxing gloves. Sanabul is comfortable and a killer provides the size chart on your sales page, but when it comes to education, they fall up to the mark. These have a longer life expectancy. Booty's a good idea for beginners and trainers. Thanks gel case construction in the front has achieved an additional shock absorption. Dependent that you pay in dollars size low quality and value it cannot be better. If you are a hardcore users, or visit every day in the gym, see about 3 to 6 months of use before they explode. Wrist and hand assistance generates central engineering leather front and center, and this will hit the sandbag well. If you are a beginner or looking for a couple to go to the gym, you covered Sanabul has. Number 3. Our third best pick is Trideer Pro Grade Boxing Gloves. Trideer paid serious attention to the design and the value when he reached his boxing gloves pro class. You have only 2 choices of color showing its commitment to design integrity and structural quality especially. While Grade Pro Boxing Gloves as a Muay Thai advertised gloves, after use, we would connect to pro-style gloves given nor a killer hook. Construction and breathable multi-density foam, this pair makes it really is, along with all life client service Trideer. There is a wide range of prices for each will and size, but the capacity will get a shock absorption tough as nails Velcro wrist protection. This provides additional stability, while maintaining his mobility open enough to show that you are a force to be reckoned with. Ring. If you are not satisfied, I will 100% refund, no questions, the first 30 days. Between this and the excellent price, which has to lose? Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Venum Elite Boxing Gloves. One of the greats has been boxing gloves Venum providing first-class centuries. They threw some technological differences in this pair, so may be a viable option for those who are not the stench glove they age. Thermal regulation pad I obtained along the inner fact deforested keeps welding power and full control over their gloves the whole time. Get boxing gloves Venum Elite a little bigger, seem as if they that clumsy and not as viable in light users. Base the quality and life expectancy, rather gloves price has. Matchless no matter what color, 12 plus available, you choose. Constructed Skintex leather and foam density triple Venum pins everything possible accumulating date with the competition, which is exactly what you will do ifto. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Everlast Elite Pro Style Training Gloves. A sport, boxing has become quiet for women. It is not only exciting and authorization, but it is also very healthy. More and more women receive his pair of boxing gloves gymming staff, training and professional use. Ever Pro Style Training Gloves Elite is designed unique for female hands. Mimic the anatomy of the hand, gloves properly embrace without pressing them hard to squeeze or. From of course, This is largely dependent on the size chosen. From 8 to 160Z area there is a good selection to choose from. Users have complained reality the size varies, even if they have different sizes. Overalls, gloves performs a small fragment. Not a big deal, because they still do a great job training. The stop arm is designed with a material of full mesh letting air in and out, promoting better dry and comfortable training period. Made with synthetic leather that pretty easily maintains, keep missing clean and wash after use and let it dry completely odors. Padding protects enough hands from injury, everlasting fingers comfortably train, take on impact and pillows. By convenience, there is a section that remains secure thumb place and not due to a powerful punch folded back. Train with a comfortable and durable pair of boxing gloves, the durability to ensure and great performance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.